very simple. Pumunta ako dito para mag-deliver ng, I wanted a very simple ceremony downstairs. But sabi nila na we have to come up to, just observe protocol. And so ang ano ko dito, ang sadya ko actually is just to deliver the check. And maybe yung paghati-hatian ng mga municipalities, dito yung mga mayor, paghati-hatian na lang ninyo, it's 2 million for this province. I just came from Mate, nag-deliver rin ako doon ng kay Governor Malanyao ng another 2 million. So yan lang ho ang maibigay namin ngayon because we've been giving money left and right for the simple reason that there was one after another in succession the devastation that is brought about by so many calamities. If there is one thing that we have to realize, kasi noon sinasabi that Mindanao does not get a share of the typhoons. That was good before, but because of climate change and maybe it's being attributed to the wasteful ways of mankind, the wind currents have changed and has gone lower than what was usually the typhoon belt. And kasama na tayo ngayon. So you just have to come to terms with it, actually. It will come again and again and again. Nag-iba na ang mundo eh. So kami dito, whatever little that we can share with our fellow men, first doon sa Bohol, then we went to Tacloban, dito after the typhoon. At ito ngayon, we're really very sad na ganito ang mangyari sa inyo. The damage wrought about, I said, was about equal or more than what was brought by Pablo. Kunti lang, yan lang ang, I do not want to stay long. I have to go back.